My love, I know it's time to pack my tears and say goodbye. What we had is right here, so you can have the city. Let me go. I gotta ask. They say that all the good things meant to last. So why did we both end up here so fast? Can't let go of all we've ever had to hit me back. But that's how it goes. It hurts like hell because we got too close. And babe, I hope you'll never feel this low. Without us, I'll never be the same, it's true. My love, I know it's time to pack my tears and say goodbye. What we had is right here, so you can have the city. Let me go, 'cause I hate to say goodbye. When it comes to you, then I hate to say goodbye. It's what you do. You keep messing with my mind. I carved our name in our tree when we both moved to the city. Let me go, 'cause I hate to say goodbye. I gotta know, 'cause I don't know if what we had was real. It's hard to make some sense of what I feel. A heartbreak is never gonna cut so deep. Can it heal? My love, I know it's time to pack my tears and say goodbye. What we had is right here, so you can have the city. Let me go, 'cause I hate to say goodbye. When it comes to you,